Hi guys, I'm here to do my influencer review on the Sally Hansen's Perfect Summer Tan Glow. If you don't know what influencer is, you basically sign up, you answer questions, you say what you review about these products that they talk about. You can put your reviews about and see what you like about it on the site. And then if you get into a campaign, they will send you things, which I got into a campaign of tan legs. This product, it came with a $2 off. Basically what you do, and then here's the product. I have tried this. It actually says what it does. I mean, it does what it says, sorry. It says smooth on perfect legs in an instant. It'll be like tan. I tried it last night. It works well. It takes a few, depending on what your skin tone is. This goes for light. Now I rubbed it on and it showed after like the second time I put it on, but it does smell nice. Yeah, it smells really good. It's perfect shade. See, I'll even show you, even though it's not my legs, but see, just a little bit lighter, darker than my shade, which is okay. All in all, I like this product, and it goes on really good. I would recommend it to you guys if you guys want to get that perfect summer tan that every girl wants. But I will have more reviews for you at the end of this month. So I'll see you then. Thank you.